Hello everyone, welcome back to CREO Parametric. I am Rakesh VALASA. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to draw the given part modeling in CREO Parametric. Already I have drawn this model in CREO Parametric. You can see here. Okay, now close this model, file, close. Now open new part model. Just click on this new. In the template you can choose, you can select part and you can give the name here and remove this, use default template, then click on OK. In the given model, having all dimensions are in millimeters, that's why I am choosing MMNS part solid, then click on OK. Okay, first I want to construct this base model. This base is in the shape of rectangle. This length is 44 and width is 54. That is appear in the top view, that's why I'm selecting top and choose sketch. Okay, you can change this isometric view to orthographic with the help of this sketch view. Okay, in the sketch tool I'm selecting center rectangle. From the center point, draw one center rectangle. Now exit from this tool, just click mouse middle button. You can give the dimension here, double click on this dimension. This length is 44, then click on enter. Now also edit this dimension, this width is 54, 54, enter. Okay, after this click on this right mark or OK. Now apply the extrude for this rectangle. Here this thickness is 5 mm. Here you can type width is 10 mm, 10, enter. Now click on OK. After this you can construct this portion, this halo portion, that is toward this front, this side, left side. So I am selecting this surface and click on extrude and select sketch view. Okay, you can move this sketch in the workspace, hold shift button and press control mid button. You can this is like a pan option, hold shift button then press mouse middle button. You can move the models in the workspace. Then construct these two circles with the help of this circle tool. On this vertical axis draw two circles, then give the dimensions. Now exit from this tool, just click mouse middle button and edit the dimension. Small circle diameter is 24, this one is 24, enter. This major circle diameter is 34, double click on this dimension, edit this dimension as 34, then click on enter. The height is, the center height from the base is 52, so we can give this, edit this dimension, this is 52, enter. Okay, after this you can also construct this vertical portion by using line command with reference to this edge. So that's why I need to construct one reference line here. So select this reference line, you can draw one reference line to this edge, then close this tab. Now with the help of line tool, draw that shape. So from here to here draw one vertical line, then horizontal line, then vertical line. Now exit from this tool, click mouse middle button. This dimension is, width is 7 mm, 7, enter. So this is symmetrical with respect to vertical axis, that's why I am also giving the dimension to this vertical line with respect to this vertical center line. Now click mouse middle button here, this is 3.5. You know that 7, total width is 7, half of the width is 7 by 2, 3.5, then click on enter. Okay, after this you can remove this curve by using delete segment. You can remove these curves. Okay, after this just click on this OK. You can extrude towards other side, just change the direction up to this width 54. You can type here 54, enter, then click on OK. Okay, after this in the bottom portion having two slots are there. One is front side, other one is right side view. So I am selecting this surface, then click on extrude and change the sketch view. Here I am going to construct this slot that is in the shape of rectangle. So that's why I am selecting corner rectangle. Just draw that corner rectangle here and exit from the tool by using mouse middle button and give the dimension. This length is 14, half of the length is 7, so this is 7, enter. Total width is 14, 14, enter. This thickness is 5 mm, so you can add this dimension. This is 5, enter. Okay, after this click on this OK. Now you can remove that portion from the main object. This one extrude. Okay, edit one. You can change the direction towards that side. Remove the portion up to 54, 54, enter. You can see it. Okay, after this you can also remove from the right side view. So select this surface, then click on OK, then select this surface, choose extrude option, select sketch view. That is also in the shape of rectangle, so that's why I'm selecting rectangle here. Draw that shape here. Now exit from the tool, apply the dimensions. This is 7, enter. This is 14, 14, enter. Next height is that constraint is applied, so that thickness is also 5 mm. If you have any doubt, you can change here. You can check the dimension here. So 5 mm. Now click on OK. Now you can remove that slot from the main solid, so that's why you need to change the direction towards left side. That is up to next surface. You can see extrude to intersect with all surfaces, then click on OK. Okay, this is the final model for the given part modeling. You can see it. You can also see the standard orientation. Okay, I hope you enjoyed a lot in this session. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.